There's no other takes. This is it. Is it recording?
This is it. I think so.
So this is week 6 Supreme unboxing. Let's get it.
Oh, the information.
Put a blur.
All right, let me just zoom into that.
Oh my god. Oh no, I cut the Supreme bag. That's devastating. Hopefully the shirts aren't cut. I think we're good. We finally got some stickers. I knew this was the week of sticker packs. It only took so many weeks to get this. Finally got the free sticker pack with it. Here's the Persistence of Memory tee. Wonderful, you can't see anything. And here's the Angel tee. Very nice. I think we got the stickers because I ordered 2 tees in one cart, so we might as well throw in some stickers because they're like probably packaging into one. We got the stickers this time. Alright. You cut it. It's not that cut, I can tell.
Oh, wait.